Hi friends, in this video I would be showing two methods to enable voice typing or speech to text on Samsung keyboard. First let me open this messages app, tap on this icon, tap on this new message icon. This is a Samsung keyboard, but in this keyboard microphone voice input button is missing. I am not able to find microphone voice input button here or here. So let me fix this. Method 1. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, tap on general management, tap on keyboard list and default, enable this option, keyboard button on navigation bar, enable it, then enable Google voice typing, tap here, tap on OK, done. Then ensure that default keyboard is Samsung keyboard, then tap on this Samsung keyboard settings, tap here. These are the Samsung keyboard settings, go down, tap on voice input. Here first let me select this Google voice typing, done. Then go back to messages app, tap on this icon. Now here on this Samsung keyboard you can find microphone voice input button here. This is a microphone voice input button of Google voice typing. Let me test, tap here, hello, testing. See, it's working. If you want to stop you can tap here and stop, done. This is a method 1. Let me go to method 2. Method 2, again go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, go to general management, then tap on Samsung keyboard settings, go down, tap on voice input. This time I am going to select this Samsung voice input, tap here, done. Then go back, open this messages app. Now here on the Samsung keyboard you can find microphone voice input button of Samsung voice input. Let me test, tap here, hello, testing. See, it's working. If you want to stop, again tap here and stop, done. So these are the two methods. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.